My name is Tanya, and I am a clinical development lead recruiter here at Recruitment. I think what we do is so important, especially within clinical development, is that you're right there with the patients. You really are making a direct impact in terms of the clinical trials that they're working on. A lot of my clients are within, for example, the oncology space, and I think we all know someone who has been affected, in some capacity, other areas as well. So I think it's, one of those things where we've all been affected by someone, and what we're doing, is actually making an impact in the long term for these patients. Yeah, so clinical development fits in with kind of the clinical trial work. So once it comes out of the lab, it's the first in human studies being done all the way through post-marketing. So right before it goes out, the drug goes out into the field there. So we're working on phases 1 through 3, getting the drug developed, looking at patients at varying levels and seeing how they're responding to the drugs. So here at Recruitment, the service that I offer is that I am an expert within the field that I'm working with. We're all niche into different markets. I specifically work within clinical development as well as touching upon medical affairs and drug safety. So definitely know those roles like the back of my hand and can offer both the candidate and the client perspective on what we're seeing within market trends, what we're seeing in terms of types of roles that are out there, as well as things like hybrid model, salary compensations, things like that. In terms of working with me from the candidate end, I really want to know what you're truly looking for. I'm not just trying to throw your CV out to every job that's out there, but really want to understand what it is that you want to see for your own career development and growth, and how I can help best facilitate that as well. So really understanding what you're looking for and matching you best to the clients that I think would be a good fit for you. So for me, I think what really drew me in to Recruitment when I had first seen it is that they are in the life sciences. Back in college, I was actually a neuro major, so science has always been something near and dear. Thought I was going to be pre-med one point, but realized that that was too much schooling for me, but still get to talk to those MDs, talk to those clinical scientists, and feel like I understand a bit about what they are talking about. And for me, that science is really interesting and captivating, and I think they are really making such a big difference. So to me, it really is highly motivating to be able to be a part of that difference in some small little capacity. So yeah, it's really exciting to be in this field that we're in. So whether you're in the market for a new job or you're a company looking for a new hire, I'd love to grab a coffee, grab a drink, and see how we may be able to assist you in finding that.